Hello everybody, today I will be showing you how to make code.org Sprite Lab in code.org Sprite Lab. This will be a multi-episode series, so this will probably take a while to get the full thing. Right now I will be showing you how to make these buttons right here. As you can see, I already have the code for a lot of it. I'll be showing you where these are, and then I will be making the way that it turns orange when you click on it. So for this first one, you want to go into World, set background to, and I made the background. You see it's the same color. To make that background, you want the color to be F2, F2, F2. So you would type in F2, 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 then you would have the right color. Then you just need the paint bucket tool and click on it, and then the entire thing will be that color. So now you want to select the one they just made, should be the first one. Then you do that. Okay. So now you want 3 make new sprite at location X, Y. The easiest way to do that is to just get make new sprite, remove the location thing, then this one. You see how all the Y's are the same? To make it easier and not have to type it in a lot, you can just go ahead and type that in, copy it, and paste it 2 times. To copy it, you press Ctrl+C. Put all those onto the code. Let me move this. Then the easiest way to make these are just to take a screenshot of this area, but if you can't, you can make them yourself, but it'll be a lot harder because then the things will be different sizes. So you want the code one, the costumes, and the backgrounds. So it doesn't matter which order they're in, you just have to make sure that the code one is 24387, this one is 62387, and backgrounds will be 114. Now, you see how they're all slightly different sizes? You want these set size to whatever number. So get a set size to, copy it, paste it 2 times, put it onto the code. And now, code, costumes, background. So you want the code to be size 60. You want the costumes to be size 63, and you want the backgrounds to be size 58. You see how they all line up? That's good. We won't need this anymore. Okay, so now you want 3 event ones. It's going to be easier to just go ahead and get this one. You want this one? You need 3 of these. And then you need 3 of... No. Okay, so you need 3 of these ones with 3 in each. Okay, so 1 more. Recommend these being side by side. Okay, now once one for code, one for costumes, one for backgrounds. So for The first one, you want the code to change the costume into the orange code one. You notice how it turns white? I was just too lazy to make it turn white. It's not that important, so. And then you need it for costumes. And for backgrounds. Now, I bet you're wondering what these other two are for. Look at what happens when they don't unselect. So you need, for whenever you click it, you need the other two to go back to normal. So backgrounds and costumes turn into their normal backgrounds and costumes. Then for this one, you want the orange code to turn back into the normal code one. And since we're doing costumes for this one, you don't need to change costumes back into its own thing. So the orange costumes and the orange code. Now I need to scroll. Okay, just let me move this. So why? I'll just move on top so I can. Okay, so that's the orange costumes and orange code. Okay. So now, as you can see, it works now. Okay. This will be the end of the tutorial. Goodbye.